guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing that I don't do very often. It's Feel Unique. Now this is one that I kind of dip in and out of probably once every few months or so, but I had a little look the other day and there was some good stuff, so I went and got it. For those of you that don't know, Feel Unique is a website where you can buy lots of makeup and skincare and hair care and all beauty related items, but they also have a pick and mix section where they have loads and loads of different samples, little sample sizes of hundreds of different brands and products, and you pay £3.95, which is your postage, and you can pick 5 samples and they send them out to you, so you can try little things. Sometimes there are some really good size samples on there, which is when I tend to go on. I ordered this I think about a week ago, maybe a bit longer than that, and it came last week, but I was really poorly and I just didn't get around to opening it, so I thought I would do it now. So let's have a look. Oh, okay, I literally can't remember what's in here. Oh. Right, let's grab it out. Okay, special offers just for me. Let's see if this is full of crap or if it's anything that you guys might actually be interested in. 20% off Bowden. I'll put that down below if anyone wants to have a look at that. Bloom and Wild. I'll put all these. I'll literally just, it's all just whatchamacallit, vouchers, so I'll just link everything that I can down below for you guys. But let's have a look at the sample. So the first one I got was a First Aid Beauty, and it was an Ultra Repair tint cream. What colour did I get? I think I went for the lightest one, so I think it like this. Doesn't want to go on. Let's just get it open. So it says, a perfecting multitasker that provides 12 hours of soothing hydration and reduces the look of redness and pores, imparting a natural luminous finish. So clinically proven for 12 hours of hydration. It's got SPF 30 and it just looks quite nice. So I went for the light one. It's only a little tiny sample, but I thought it would be something nice to have a little try of. So let's have a look and see what the colour's like. Yeah, that'll be absolutely fine for me. It smells really nice. You sort of just in the middle of my hand there. So that will be nice to use. Then I got a Ren, and this is a Flash Defense Anti-Pollution Mist. And I got this because it was a spray and it was quite a big one. Now, this is, how big are you? 9mm. But I thought this looked quite good. And mist liberally with eyes closed to entire face, neck and décolleté. Can be used over moisturiser or makeup and reapplied throughout the day. So I can put this on now. Let's have a little. Oh, that smells lovely. That smells so nice. Ooh, I like that. I like misty things. So I thought that was a really good one to have in my handbag, because quite often if I am wearing foundation, if I powder in the day, I'm like, oh, I wish I could just put setting spray on top of it. This will do the job. And then I got a sample of some shampoo and conditioner, and this is the Frieda Sheer Blonde Highlight Activating, and there's a sachet of conditioner and shampoo each there. So I thought they would be good to try, because I'm always trying to up the blonde. And then the main reason I went on was because Burt's Bees was back on it, and I absolutely love Burt's Bees. This is their Deep Cleansing Cream, which is one of my all-time favourite cleansers. I absolutely love it. It smells amazing. My skin really likes it, and it does a really good job. So, and that's a nice size sample. I've only ever had this size, and I think I've got like, this is like the 4th one I've got. This is a 20g one, but this will do, this will last me because I just use it in the evenings. I'm not going to open this one now because I've got one open already in the bathroom. I've even got 2 open in the bathroom, but I really like this. And then the other one was some more Burt's Bees, and it's facial cleansing towelettes. Now I know it's not good to use face wipes, but I really wanted these just to have to take when I go to my mother-in-law's and stuff, because I like having them just for sort of the ease of it. I do, when I'm at home, I do use a cleanser and then I use a flannel and I reuse the flannels, because wipes aren't good for the environment at all. and so I have in the house. I've completely stopped using them. The kids don't use them. I don't use them. For the new baby, I'm going to be using reusable wipes. I really like Burt's Bees, and I just wanted these. I thought they would be really handy to have, even just to leave at my mother-in-law's when we stay over there. And it's just makeup remover wipes. So yeah, I'm really happy with my little Feel Unique haul today. I don't think I've done this for months and months and months, but I really like it. And then I think you can use, I think I'm gonna have to go and check it, but I'm pretty sure now that I've paid that £3.95, I think they then email you a voucher and then you can get that off a purchase on the website. I think I'm right with saying that. I will link it all down below for you guys, because I could be talking rubbish, but I'm pretty sure I'm not today. So if you like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. There is an Instagram giveaway which is going to go live very, very soon. It might already be live, to be fair, because I'm going to do it today. Today is Tuesday. This isn't going up to... Oh! This isn't going up today, but the Instagram giveaway is. So I'll link it down below for you guys. I need to go and have a heartburn tablet. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.